Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through a Python script that generates a set of lottery tickets using some basic operations. We will cover how the random library is used and how we shuffle and display the tickets. So, let's get started. Here's what exactly is expected of us. Firstly, we will import the random module to shuffle our list of numbers. Then, we will create a list with all numbers all the way from 0 to 99. Then, we will shuffle that list to randomize the order. And finally, we will split the shuffled list into 10 parts, where each part will represent a unique lottery ticket. This picture shows our expected output. To begin, we use Python's random module to handle the shuffling. First, we generate a list of numbers from 0 to 99, using the range function, and convert it into a list. This creates a list of numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, up to 99. Since this is a regular array of numbers, but we want them to be in a random order, we use the shuffle function to mix them up. After using this function, the numbers will be in a random sequence, such as 45, 3, 77, 15, 19, and so on. To create 10 different lottery tickets, we split this shuffled list into 10 smaller lists, each containing 10 numbers. The for loop runs 10 times, and each time it runs, the value of I increases by 1, going from 0 to 9. Each value of I picks out a slice of 10 numbers from the list. For example, when I is 0, it takes the first 10 numbers. When I is 1, it takes the next 10, and so on. At the end, we have 10 different tickets, each containing 10 unique numbers. Now, let's print out each lottery ticket. Here we use the enumerate function to loop through the tickets and keep track of their numbers. The enumerate function adds a counter to the loop. In this case, I is the counter starting from 0, and ticket is the current ticket in the list. This allows us to print each ticket with its corresponding number. When we run the program, we can see that the output looks exactly like that. And there you have it! We have successfully generated 10 unique lottery tickets, each with a set of random numbers between 0 and 99, without any duplicates. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this explanation helpful.